Hi sir, my name is Navien Kesavan. Today I'm going to present about my mini project called Password Manager. Okay, so point of this program is to organize and store our passwords. So we are going to store all our password along with the username of the account they're associated with in one text file. But I'm not going to store the passwords in plain text file. I'm going to store it in an encrypted text file like this. So, for example, this is the Facebook, and then my email address, and then the password is encrypted. Since we all have so many passwords for different applications, so this will help us to store our passwords, and we can view our passwords anytime we want. So I write the code that allowing us to actually ask the user whether want to list out the passwords or whether want to add a new password. And the password is going to store in a encrypted text file. I did this project without encrypting any of the passwords, and then after I created the code and then I encrypted them. So first I add this. So the input, will you like to add a new password or I view existing ones, and then I add these three modes. So first Q for quit, view for view password, and then add a new password. And one is add and one is view, and another one is add. So these two, depending what mode I select, it's going to call these two functions. So view and add two functions will perform the operation for the mode I select. Define add is actually will create a file to store all passwords. If the file storing our password doesn't already exist, and the add password will add password into it. So the first thing I need to do is get a user account or the username or the password, and then add to it. I define the mode A. So the mode A means add something to the existing file or create a new file. The username or password will write as name and then encrypted passwords. Sorry, once the file is created, it will return as the name, and then this will for the space, and then this will encrypt the password, and this integer n to go to the next line. Enter the view command, so it will open the password text file and it's in a read mode, and then the f read lines actually will read all the lines in the text file, and then this R strip will strip off the carriage return from the line, in the in this line I add the carriage return from line, so this will strip off the line. To encrypt the password in the text file, I've installed cryptography funnels. So uh, this key file is going to take a string of text and using a key turn into completely kind of random string, like completely strange strings like this, uh, random string of texts that we cannot give back to the original. Moving the key used to create the key file, and then to encrypt the password, encode and decode. So this is the existing password file that I've created for an example. So now I'll delete this file. So once I run my module, so it will ask, would you like to add a new password or view existing one? So now I want to add the password, and then select application, let's say Facebook, and then my email, and then it will ask for the password. The password I randomly click and then enter. So it will ask again, we need to add or view or quit. So I'll add another password. So this time, let's say Maybank, and then username, I just put my name, and then the password. So now I quit program, then now I open. So once I open the location I saved the program code file, the password already created, the password text file already created when I add the passwords. So if I open the file, it will show my application and then my username, but the password it will be encrypted. So if I want to view the password, I need to open the program file and then run module. Then let's say I want to view. So here it will show us the username, the application, and then the passwords. So now I need, if I want to add another one, let's say install, my name, then the password. So if I view again, it will show my original passwords in here, but the in the password text file, it will encrypt. So, so, so if I just quit this and then so this is my mini project. Thank you